I would admire this person kung talagang he did everything with due process. Diba? But, you know, like, technically, if we talk about the case or you know, like, we review what happened, what transpired during yung ginawa sa kanya with KOJC and lahat, it's nothing. Wala. He's only handpicked there by the administration because he's an attack dog. That's it. Nothing more than that. 3 ranks yung inakyatan niya. Tinalunan niya 3 ranks. And na ngayon sinasabi ni Marbil na it was based on merit. Come on, 'di ba? Okay, if it was based on merit, ganito sana 'yun. Sana legal lahat na nangyari. But since yung tao na yan nag-operate, I don't know. It's not a criminal yet kasi hindi pa man sa sa korte, but he behaved like a criminal. So bigay na yan sa kanya, PNP niya. Siya.
Okay lang. Okay lang, Mayor.
No one is impressed.
Yes, thank you, Mayor.